So welcome to part 2 of exponents. Let's get started with question number 7. It says, write out the factors of b to the power of 3. So remember, the exponent here tells us how many times we're going to multiply our base. So since it's 3, we're going to multiply our base 3 times. So once, twice, 3 times. Notice how I multiplied b 3 times. All right, question number 8 tells us to do the opposite. It says, write 4 times 4 in exponential form. Our base is going to be 4, and our exponent is going to be 2, because we multiplied 4 2 times. Number 9 asks us to expand c to the power of 5, which basically means write out the factors. So expand means to write out the factors. So maybe you can guess how this is going to look like, right? Similar to question number 7. So c to the power of 5 means c times c times c times c times c. Go ahead and pause and see if you can do number 10 on your own. All right, so expand 6 to the power of 3. 6 times 6 times 6. You're probably like, oh my gosh, Miss Lopez, 6 times 6 times 6. But we're going to move on to question number 11. All right, so we have write x times x times x times x times x in expanded form. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. My base I know is going to be x, and my exponent is going to be 5. So what is the meaning of expand? Once again, it means to write out the factors. So you can just go ahead and write that up there. All right, let's go ahead and do some practice problems right now. And let's start off by reading what this top little box tells us. It says, Giovanni tried to simplify an expression with variables and numbers. Did he do it correctly? So if we look at this, we have 2 times x times y to the power of 2 times 3 times y to the power of 3. So we only have 1, 2. So he has 2 times x times y times y. That looks good because we had y to the power 2. We have times 3. That looks good. Y times y times y, y to the power 3. So did he do it correctly? Yeah, he did it. He did do it correctly. And this first step is called to expand. In his second step, which is right here, notice how he moved the 3 closer to the front. This is what we call rearrange. Usually we write the numbers in the front and then the letters, or the variables, in alphabetical order. So 2 times 3 gives us 6. Oops, I forgot to say. So this second step here is what we called rearrange. And in our last step, all he did was multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Have 1x, so just leave it as x. And we have 5y, so we get y to the power of 5. And that step is called multiply. So let's go ahead and do example number 3 together. So we get 2 times m times m times 7 times m. Go ahead and pause and see if you can do the rest on your own. All right, to rearrange, put the numbers first, and then all the letters. 2 times 7 is 14, m to the power of 3. Okay, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Go ahead and try out the rest on your own. And if you guys need help, don't forget you can always email me. And let's see, maybe we can do one more really quickly before time runs out. So let's do this one. K times 5 times k, 5 times k times k. So we get 5k to the power of 2. All right, guys. Hope you guys understood this lesson. Let me know what I can do better next time. All right. Miss you guys a lot, and I hope you guys are being safe.